What's up, witches? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. So, I wasn't going to film today. I was very busy in the soap room. Plus, being in contact with some of my friends down in Florida. Just talking to them, reassuring them, praying with them, whatever, you know, you can do from here. Offering them a place to stay. Um, just keep everybody in Florida in your thoughts and send positive energy that this hurricane just knocks it off now. All right, so we got our Inked Goddess Creations box, and I didn't realize this because, like I said, I've been working all day, and my husband brought it in and put it on the table, and I just now, it's 7:43, just went downstairs, made myself something to eat, and noticed the box. So we are going to open it. I cut the tape. This is what it looks like. And this is the October box from the Ink Goddess Creations. So I'll take the card. You get a nice card. Explains everything that's in your box. Oh, we'll just fly out of there. Stuff just flew out. All right, so that's what it's looking like. So let's take the first thing. Well, we'll take the thing that flew out. It says Midnight Path Perfume Oil. And I love it that they always put it in these nice Ziploc bags. Oh, okay. And you just have to do this. And it opens and then... Alright, ooh, what a pretty bottle. Look how pretty. And it's has a roller ball. Oh, that's pretty. It smells good. I'm not sure what that scent is. Let me grab my glasses and we will see what it is. Alright, so Midnight Path Ritual Oil. Well, this says perfume oil, but I'm sure that's the same thing. This gorgeous gothic apothecary bottle contains a scent that draws you in to the forest to dance under a full moon. A blend of cedar, blackcurrant, and more. Okay, that's what I was smelling, that blackcurrant. It is very unique. It's very nice. You can easily apply the blend to your pulse points to wear daily or prepare yourself for meditation, an inward journey, or an empowering ritual. That's cool. All right, so there's that. We're going to take this little sachet. Oh. Oh, I know what this is. It's probably a scrying necklace. Let's see. Yes, scrying necklace. Made of black glass. This gothic necklace allows you to scry on the go while adding a witchy flair to any outfit. Look how pretty. It has a black chain. Very pretty. Okay. The next thing we're pulling out is this. And it's taped. Okay, so inside there I see a black candle that smells really good. And there's something bubble wrapped in here. Oh, it's like a little... Is this a little scry? Oh, it's a little scrying mirror, I think. Look. Baby. Alright, so. This is an obsidian scrying mirror set The natural obsidian gemstone scrying mirror is a perfect size for beginners travel or to stow away on your altar. Look how cool. The mirror comes with a cute stand and a messenger tea light blend of tobacco, dragon's blood, and myrrh to set in front of the mirror to help you scry and receive messages. Look for directions on how to scry on your eclectic witch card. Okay, I do know how to scry, but guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to read it for you in case you don't. In a minute when I find the eclectic witch card. Alright, so I'm putting that back in the bubble wrap. And this is the candle. It smells really good. Definitely can smell the tobacco notes in it. Alright, so next thing is in one of these. Alright, so we got Money Jar Blend Blessings and Magic, which contains plantain, bay leaf, damiana, something like that, mugwort, rose, peppermint, orange peel, and lavender. And it looks like that. And it's called Honey Jar Blend, Blessings and Magic. Hold on, I'm looking for it. Okay, so let me just take everything out. I guess it's a little kit. Alright, so you get some honey. 0.4 ounces of honey in that little thing. You get a bunch of stuff in here. Whoa, okay. Beautiful candle. A stone. Look how pretty. I think that's peacock something. I forget the name of it. I'm sure it'll be on the card. And a little honey jar. Look at that. Look how cute. It looks like little buttons. Alright, so let's see what it says. Magical Witch's New Year Honey Jar Kit. Because you know, Samhain is the Witch's New Year, or Halloween, whichever word you use. This kit contains a glass honey jar, a packet of honey, herb blend for blessings, which is that, for blessings and magic, a personal power golden tea light, right here, which is a blend of lemongrass, patchouli, chamomile, and dragon's blood, a raw peacock ore, gemstone, and instructions for creating a honey jar to invoke magic into your witchy new year. The jar comes with a resealable top so you can feed the jar with honey, sprinkle herbs, or whatever else you'd like throughout the month, or you can choose to put the lid on and seal it with candle wax. So that's cool. I can dig that. And then here's the little Magical Witch's New Year honey jar instructions. So it comes with that. Alright, so let me put that all back in there. Except for the honey jar. I'm not going to try it. Well, maybe. No, except for the honey jar, because I'll put everything else. Put the stone, the candle, I have the honey jar here. Okay. Oh, there's more in here. Oh my gosh, look at this tray. Right after my own heart. Look at how cute. Alright. It says, Witchy Season Altar Tray. This metal tray can be placed under your candles or used as a working tray while creating spell jars or bags for easy cleanup. I'm going to take the plastic off. I think I got it all. Oh my god, look how cute this is. I love mushrooms, so very pretty. Okay, so as promised, scrying. Scrying is the ancient art of divination using a reflective surface to see the unseen. It can be done with many different reflective surfaces, from water to mirrors. This practice is used today to receive guidance or messages from the divine, our guides, or our ancestors. To start scrying, choose which tool you will use. Dark mirrors are the most commonly used tool. You can gaze directly into the surface or place a candle in front of the tool and use the reflection of the flame as your focal point. Cleanse the space and create a protective circle around you prior to scrying, and it's best to scry in a dark room. Relax your eyes as you gaze into the tool or the candle flame's reflection, as if trying to see an image in one of those magic eye pictures. Write down images or messages that pop into your mind's eye or on the tool's surface. Be patient with the process. Once finished, thank your guides and close the circle. So one thing that you do get with these is you get these cards. You get at least 3 every month, sometimes more. So she has one on scrying. This is Season of the Witch Practices. And it says, Season of the Witch is an actual time frame that starts at the fall equinox and extends to the Wild Hunt, a Norse tradition that occurs around Yule. During the Season of the Witch, the veil between the worlds is thin, allowing us to connect with ancestors and spirits. This season is a wonderful time to focus on deeper work, practice, gratitude, magic, and nourish your inner witch. Honor the seasons by trying some of these witchcraft practices: divination, kitchen witchcraft, releasing ritual, protection spells, gratitude magic, set up an ancestor altar, nature walk to ground, cleanse and banish, craft altar tools, a dumb supper, and shadow work. And then this is the honey spell jar. It just gives you little tips and tricks to use it. So, we got the cards, we got the tray, we got the honey jar. We can put two wrapping paper. We got the Midnight Path perfume oil. The scrying obsidian mirror with the candle. Little honey jar spell kit with the candle, the peacock or honey, and the blend of herbs. The scrying necklace, which is cute. And that is it. So I really like this box. So far, I haven't been disappointed. The person who curates the box does a really good job. This is the card she sends. And you can go to www.inkgoddesscreations.com And she offers, I think there's 3 to 4 different subscription boxes on there. Mine comes to $35 a month, and it's taken out around the 1st or 2nd of the month. The money is taken out of my account. Never before that. The 1st or 2nd or 3rd, right in them first 3 days. And then, like, today I got it on the 9th. So the money goes out, it ships out. I usually get it within the first 10 days of the month. So far, so good. I'm really happy with these boxes. I haven't gotten any repeats. And I highly recommend. And it always comes with a nice card. And all the instructions and all this. And, it lists all the stuff that you get. So I'm really digging it. Alright, so that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.